This is a wireless gaming controller for, you know, iPhone, Android, pretty much any type of cell phone mobile gaming setup. I have been using this. I did put it back in the box for the purpose of this video so I could kind of show it unboxing. The name on this is called the ShanWan, maybe that's how you say that. And this is the Q31 wireless mobile gaming controller. So just kind of going over it with here, it is compatible with any type of cloud gaming. It is Android and obviously ISO compatible. The ergonomic design to it, it's got the telescopic stand that's going on it. And I will show you all this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get in the package. Now, open it up, you get a little set of instructions. Here's the controller itself. Here's the actual like holder for the phone, a really good quality USB-C cable for charging, and to charging there's a charge port right here when you want to charge it. So let me show you exactly how you put this thing together. All you got to do is slide that little holder down in there like that. So I got my cell phone here and I'm going to go ahead and put that in here like this. Look how easy that thing holds it in there. So it just nicely holds it in place right there. All right, now that I have the game all set up, ready to go here, let me just kind of go over some of the specs of the controller for you. This thing has a battery capacity of 500 milliamps, and it's got a standby time, fully charged standby. It goes up to 30 days, so almost a month you could have this on standby. And to set it up, what you want to do, you want to open your Bluetooth, hit the center home button right here in the middle. On an iPhone, it's actually named DualShock 4 wireless controller, but on the Android, they just name it wireless controller. Pretty easy to set up, and let me tell you, the quality of this thing feels just as good. To me, it feels like an Xbox controller, but actually a little better. It's got grips there. It's got a little cleaner feeling. And there's one thing that when you're playing a game, one thing, especially as a gamer, you always wonder about that latency and how quickly the buttons kind of work. And let me just kind of like show y'all. I'll do a quick multiplayer here, because normally you would play this game on the control, on the actual phone right here, and I absolutely hate that because I got thick thumbs anyway, and I always mess it up. So let me go ahead and start a game here, and I'm going to show you how clean and how fast you can see. Look at how quickly and responsive the controller is. There is a button right here on the side, but look how fast. I absolutely love this for Call of Duty. Any type of first-person shooting games is where this thing works extremely well. Both the left and right stick work really well. You can see how easy. I'm playing this just like I would be on a console. Sticks work good. See how it has an R3, L3 for running there? And, you know, I get into the game. I know you guys probably don't want to sit here and watch me play the game the whole time, but using a controller on a mobile game like this is the way to go. Highly recommend one of these. If you're just wanting it, yeah, that's L1. Here we go, L2. See, once again, I'm going to end up getting a nuke and not even trying here. There's no delay at all in the buttons. It's got the X, Y, A, B. It's got 3 in the middle right here, and each one can be assigned to do different things. The D-pad feels just like an Xbox D-pad. The sticks feel like a PS4 sticks. The sticks feel really clean on this thing. Something I highly recommend for anybody that's just wanting to get into mobile gaming and to take it in and out. Pretty easy to take it in and out of that. This thing, and it's super light. It weighs almost nothing. Very light in the hand, and it's got a long battery life. Been very impressed with this thing. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the ShanWan wireless mobile gaming controller. See you guys in the next video. Let's finish this game. Woo!